So you take, I made 6 baba ganoush, all of them are here. So basically you just cut them in half, and then you cut them vertically and then horizontally. So one baba ganoush should give you 4 pieces, and then you put a little bit of olive oil onto them so it can cook faster. And then once 20 minutes for 200 degrees. Once it's done, you can remove the skin just like this. And it's very important when you cut it, cut like this, because if you just take off the green, this top part is hard, so it's better if you cut off the top part. So this is the fastest way to cook it. Then you have the skin, remove the skin, and this is what you get. And then you put salt, you put garlic. I'm using tahini, about like 100 or 200 gram. It depends how you like it. I don't put much. And lemon juice, that's it. Yeah, so I put the two lemon juice, tahini is here, a bit of garlic, and as I'm mixing it, I keep taste it. I have some spoons here, and based on how it feels, I put more salt, more lemon juice, more tahini, whatever you feel like needing it. A little bit of olive oil. Salt. As you can see, it's nice. This is the texture what I like. Delicious.